Welcome to Everlesson Essentials, session 11. In this session, we're going to go over pricing options and how to make sure they're connected properly. So we've got our courses set up. We've created our different pricing options, as you can see here. So we're ready to start getting our membership out there and getting in members. So we get our first member, and they come in here to access their course, and they're really excited, and then they click on it, and they get that dreaded upgrade message. Now, I know a lot of users have had a little bit of trouble with this, a lot of questions and confusion, so I'm going to help show you how to make sure this doesn't happen. So let's go back into our back end of Everlesson. We're going to go back into My Courses. Now what we need to do is make sure that we've connected each of the pricing options to the levels we want them to have. And when I'm saying levels, I mean the modules inside of our course. So if we come over here to this extra options button, and it's the little shopping cart icon, looks like everything's connected, so everybody should have access, right? Unfortunately, that's not the case because you need to make sure that you set them up correctly for each of the modules when you're using different pricing options. So let's go to our 101 free report and click on the shopping cart. As you can see, nothing's checked, which is why our members aren't able to access this content. Now, I'm going to check all of these because I want every pricing option to be able to access this free report. Whether I've given it to them for free, they've upgraded to the ebook, or they've paid for the entire course, I want to make sure everybody has access. So I'm going to come over here and click Save. Now I'm going to come to the ebook, and as we know, the ebook was an upgrade for $7. So I don't want the people who've only gotten the free PDF to have access to this, but I definitely want the people who paid for this ebook and the people who paid for our entire course to have access. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to make sure that people who have paid for the video upgrade, the ebook upgrade, and the rest of the course have access to the ebook. Now I'm going to come down to the videos. Now, as we know, in our pricing options, we've given away the free report for free. It's $7 for the ebook, and if they've paid $17, they get access to the whole thing. So we're going to go back to My Courses, and down here at the videos, we're just going to check that shopping cart icon again and see that we haven't connected anything. So now I'm just going to check the last one because I want to make sure the only people that have access to the video content that we've provided are the ones that have paid for the video upgrade. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. I'm going to check the rest of the video content and make sure that I have that same box checked in all 4 of these videos. Now, if my user goes back, and they will have to log out and log back in order to see the changes. So let's just go in here now and double check. So now my member is able to access my free report, which we know from the previous video is found here under external URLs. If this member has paid for an ebook, they're going to be able to come over here and access the ebook. And if this member has bought the entire course, they're going to be able to see the PDF, the ebook, and all of the videos. Now keep in mind the way that we set up this access is that those who only get the free report are not going to be able to access the ebook without upgrading. Those who have only gotten the free report in the ebook will not be able to access the videos. Those who have bought the entire package will be able to access everything. I hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next session of Everlesson Essentials.